I am your today's host. A very warm welcome to all. It's a wonderful day, and I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to all presented here. Welcome everyone to the Chatrashala online workshop on career guidance second day. Today's our guest is one and only Sachin sir. Sachin sir is the founding director and CEO of Skillship Foundation, Threepreneur Global Private Limited. He is blessed with Achievers Award in 2021 and featured in Indian Achiever World magazine. He is a software engineer by profession and helping a lot of his students through his organization. Let's hear some kind words and a little guidance from Sachin sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Samima. First of all, welcome all of you, those who joins today's sessions. Like Zamima already explained about me, just a quick description about me. Like I'm Sachin, just running the organization called Skillship Foundation, and also helping students throughout this community. So, like this is a like AMA sessions. So whatever the question you have, you want to shoot me on, like you can shoot it on. YouTube channels that we have, or if you want to ask over the Chatrashala application, you can join the Chatrashala application over there. So about like you, many of you know about Skillship Foundation, right? So Skillship is helping student community throughout whatever they have queries regarding skill developments and everything like internship, job, and entrepreneurship. So through that, like we are trying to achieving the SDG goals to helping student and helping through building the uh, student strength in India through Skillship Foundation. So like whatever the like AMA question, like whatever you want to ask me about, like throughout this journey, you can ask me in this session. So like if you have like we can you can ask me over in the YouTube channel's comment sections. So like this will be up here over here, and Zamima will tell me whatever the questions you have. So over to you. I'm ready for the questions, guys. All right. Okay. So I have got one question over here. Parth Mathur. Sir, I do not get motivation to study every day. How to get it? Okay. So Parth, are you from which year currently? And which background? You can just shoot in the comment section. I will read it over here. So see, the thing is, why you are not getting the motivation? Motivation comes from what do you like actually. Are you really like to study that subject? Or really, for example, if you are doing an engineering, maybe from IT or maybe from mechanical or maybe in any stream. So fourth year BTech, perfect. So you are in the fourth year of BTech. So you already completed your like most of the journey because you already in the final year. See, thing is, it's a time where you need to be focused on your placement things. You already what you want to learn, you already learn in your throughout first year, second year, third year journey. The thing why you are not getting the motivation is, see, your mind is maybe your mind is diverted somewhere, might be, or like you are not completely focused what you want actually, you are not set up your goals still yet, because in the final year it's a like a you need you are in the final match, means like bowler bowlings to you in the first six balls, you need to be achieve more than 10 runs, so like you are in that sections currently. So means this time you need to be placed in some like eminent company, reputed company according to your skills. Just set your goals, I think. I don't know like where you're focusing currently, because see, motivations where you, if you have goal, if you have vision, you have set up your visions perfectly, set up your perfectly, set up your checklist perfectly. So definitely the motivation comes automatically. You need to just set up your goals, I think. And I'm not sure like have you set up your goals or not till yet. So because the, okay, I'm already placed in sprinkler, so, but my goals are way more than that. Okay, so you already placed. So means what do you want to achieve? What's your goal? Goal is, because see, motivations comes from at the what do you want to achieve? What's your like what do you want to achieve end of the day? That's the important thing. So set your goals, whatever it is. Maybe you want something more, not like you want to be a 10 to 5 people's. Like as like I also completed my graduation in 2017 as I'm like computer engineer. So after that, like I joined some gaming industry. So yeah, but the culture, the system, I don't want to be a 9 to 5 people. I want to something to do different. That's my goal. That's why I just left everything and started my own organization in 2019, and like running my own private limited company. So I have set up my goals. So because I don't want to be that kind of people, means I don't want to work in the bunch. So I have settled my goal. I set up my goals. What I want to achieve, I set up that. So according to that, I automatically get the motivations. Because see, whatever I want, I want actually. I don't want to be like I'll do tomorrow. I'll do it by I just like next week, next month. I just whatever I want. I just set my goals. I write my goals and like I follow that strictly. So I think this will help you also to find out what your goals, and like when you set up your goals, you will get the motivation directly. So are you like uh, have you set up goals, or what are you trying to achieve? If you clarify me, so like I can guide you properly. All right. So okay, perfect. So hope whatever you want to ask me about like uh, your question about the motivation, I answered you well. All right. All right. So we have another question from Akanksha Gupta. I want to be a UX designer in Google. Definitely, when you will be the UX designer in Google, you just focus on what Google wants actually. You have a different kind of skill set. Like as you told me, like you are a UX, you want to be a UX designer in Google. So as I assume you already pursuing like learning things like designing and everything what Google checklist is. So find out the what checklist Google's want, what things Google required as an UI UX designer. So if you find out the checklist, what are the previous hiring things that have done, as in like for example what things they have asked for the UI UX designer. So you need to find out that also. uh, like every company does, like every company have their checklist. If they want to hire some engineer, if they want to hire some UI UX designer, they have some criteria to be hired. Means like they have some you need to be completed some projects, you need to be have some experience in designing, you need to be have some kind of portfolio things. So those Google wants. If you have that kind of things, just apply for it, and definitely Google will one day response you. And the main thing is right now is like we guys are living in the era where social media does well. So we have lots of technology available, lots of social platforms available for us, for engineers, for designers, for everyone, for the showcasing their of showcasing their skills. So Just um follow the LinkedIn properly, because in the LinkedIn, lots of professionals are available over there. So you can showcase what you have completed, showcase what you are doing currently, put it on the LinkedIn. On the LinkedIn, you will find lots of professional, those who are already over there, and they will really, if this, instead of the hiring process is somewhat different currently, because if you're showing your skills directly, instead of like sending your resume and following the everything by step, if you are following the everything that properly, you are following the checklist properly, if you are showcasing your skills properly, then definitely they will they will see your what you have developed till it, what you have designed till it. Have you completed any project for company? Have you contributed to any other organization, those who are available in the market? Have you have your design helping someone's other in the like open source contributions? So these other things matters. If you are if you are like thinking for the biggest company, bigger MNC, so think about like how much you have contributed towards the society, how much you have contributed towards like open source projects. This kind of project will help you in your portfolio, and this will like recognize like you differently other than students. So you need to find out this kind of skills and contribute always, and definitely know that you need to be post everything on the social media. Not means I'm not asking to post you on the Facebook or other things. Just post on the where you will find the good people. Means you can post on the LinkedIn where all the C-suite peoples are available over there. So I think I have answered your questions properly. All right. Thank you, Akanksha. Okay. Parth also saying like Google is the goal serve. So Parth, like as I told Akanksha, like see, Google's or any MNC, any big companies, you can say that those who are leading the current technological areas, those are leading the trends. So they have some kind of criteria thing. Just follow their checklist, and definitely will be they will call you. You need to, but thing is, be out of the box. Don't be like in the normal. Follow the everything properly. Follow the checklist. Means you need to be show your skills on the social media as well. On the and like participate in different kinds of hackathons. Participate in like Google sponsored events. Means see, in the thing is, the best point for the Google for the software engineers, for the designer, is they have different kind of challenges available in the market. They always release. See, you need to be contribute in that regularly. If you are doing your contribution properly, definitely they will see, they will look into it, into your portfolio. So these are the things you need to be follow, and make your profile always be updated. All right. So we have next question also. Tech tuber Abrar. Sir, how can we have confidence? I am diploma student in CSE. Whenever we try to explain to someone what we have created, like mini C and Pi program, then we do not understand what to do. Okay. See, Abrar. First of all, like confidence comes from what you have done and what you want to show. Actually, if you are confident about your what you are like want to say, what your programs are developed, and what you want to present in someone in front of someone, so that time you need to be confident. Means see, if your programs runs perfectly, definitely you have like confident like if I have show this program to 10 members, like 20 members, or maybe 100 peoples, right, or more than that. If my programs runs well, so definitely the confidence comes from inner. You don't need to be a someone other to like give you the motivations, right? So whatever work you are doing, do with the like perfections. See, perfection not comes in one day. It takes time, right? Whatever the things you wants to achieve, just give the time. So whenever you confident about your work, right, whenever you confident about your work, then you will be showing and explaining that work perfectly in front of 10,000 people, no matter whatever the crowd is. So be confident about your work. Actually, the thing is, uh, Tushar, am I answered your questions properly, or any other doubt you have? Okay, perfect. Thank you. Hospitality की पाठशाला. Hello sir, greeting from Cyber 3 era. Hello. Okay, waiting for more questions. So till then, we currently we don't have any questions, but till like I like to talk about some platform which are available in the market. Like everyone, those who are students, you must be, if you are willing to be work in the software development industry, you need to be know about some kind of tools which are available in the market. For example, if you like to code every day, right, so that time what you need to do, you need to explore. The bigger community already developed that kind of tool. Like for example, GitHub, it's a repository. It's a very big and like good tool for the software engineer, for the budding developers, because you can just store your repo over there. Whatever the you code, it shows in the graph. For example, if you want to develop something and like you are coding daily basis, so the graph will show you like on which time, on what day you have code, right? So this will, when recruiter hire you or like ask you in the interview, like have you code every day or what you have developed till it, so like you can show the GitHub profile, right? Like I already developed this kind of things, which is available on GitHub, or you can showcase them directly. The second thing is, I told you about LinkedIn is very powerful tool nowadays. Every person will be available over there. Means all the bigger company CEO, CTO, hiring managers, job opportunities, every opportunities are available over there. You need to be very active on that. No matter like you just posting a thought, or like what are you doing. Means like if you just started with the programming things, so like HTML, CSS, just post what you have developed today, what you have at the end, what you have achieved today. Everything should be posted on the LinkedIn. Means about what you have professionally doing. So these things will be like reflect on your portfolio. What blogs you have written? Are you willing to write some technical blogs? So so LinkedIn have that kind of features also. Like you can post your blogs over there also. So these are the things which helps every person to showcase their profiles in front of like hiring managers and different C-suite peoples. All right, like we have another question. Can designer also upload their prototype in GitHub or in Behance? Okay. For the designer, like be like the best tool is Behance, because you need to be create your portfolio. This tool is specially designed for the designers, UI UX designers, like those who are willing to be in the field of designing, in the field of UI UX. So you need to be just create your profile and show whatever the work you have done over there. So it will be really helpful other peoples to hire you from that platform also. So you can just upload your like profiles, works, portfolios on the Behance. So Behance will help you over there. All right. Waiting for other questions. Oh, you can shoot me question on. Okay, all right. Thank you, Akanksha. Okay, sir, if don't mind, can you share your social media platform ID? Okay, you can find me on LinkedIn. Just type Sachin Pandey. You will see my profile over there. In that, you will find Skillship Foundation. Definitely, you can follow me over there on the LinkedIn. Just type Sachin Pandey. Open the LinkedIn and just type Sachin Pandey. My ID is Sachin Pandey. Just you will see over there. Thank you so much, Akanksha, once again. And like, hope you guys joined yesterday's session as well. Like yesterday, Jaya ma'am told me about career guidance and what are the important things you need to uh, be like prepared as a student because lots of like minor and like small point and very big point all told by Jaya ma'am yesterday. So if you haven't attended yesterday's session, the session will be available on Chatrashala application. Download the app and like just go to the digital event sections and you will see the session of JMM. And like if you have that kind of query to ask anytime for the particular speakers, you can ask on the YouTube channels we have, or you can join the WhatsApp community of Skillship Foundation WhatsApp community over the Discord channels. We have very active member, those who can always ready to like help you throughout whatever the questions you have. Like if you are just if you are stuck in somewhere, for example, if you are developing something and you are stuck somewhere, so we have developers community also, those who can guide you anytime. And meanwhile, like if you are a student and just landed in engineering or any background of technical or non-technical educations, so that time like if you need some guidance, so we have expert in the Skillship, those who can guide you in free of cost, they don't charge anything. So it will really help you in any whatever you want to ask related to life. For example, like Skillshare have different kind of communities. It's a hub of community. In Skillshare we have various kinds of members, those who are working like across globe, so they are always ready to help you. And meanwhile we also planning to conduct some like international events in upcoming months. So kindly install the applications also. Kindly install Chatrashala application. You will find out that application on Google Play Store. In that application you will find job opportunity, internship opportunity, scholarship opportunity, as well as a campus opportunity. If you are willing to like join some open campuses programs, you can definitely join over there. Okay, waiting for the next question. Like you can shoot me a question on like comment section of Skillship YouTube channels, or like if you go, those who have any doubt, you can ask me also. All right. Okay. Okay. So we have question from Wasim. Hello Sachin. So for the beginner, how they can start and become good developer or designer? Okay. So see, what you want to achieve, if you want to be a good developer or designer, you just take a baby step to start learning in which sector. For example, if I'm talking about the development sector, so development sector is also vast. It's not like in that, like, you need to be select the path, means you are willing to be work in the front end section, you are like energetic with the designing part, you like to be design front end, so like you need to be select some front end development, like you are willing to, your logic is good, and you want to like be write, like to write a algorithm or like to write a server side scripting codes. So that time you need to be create your path properly, means if you just think in which sector you want to go, in the development, in the front end side, or in the back end side, or in the full stack. So first of all you need to select the track. For example, if you are willing to go with the front end, but just start with the basics of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, then like you go with React or whatever the tool technology you want to learn. Maybe lots of frameworks is already available, like Angular and like React JS. So start with this start with any things like in the front end, start with the HTML, CSS, or if you are willing to be go with the back end part and you are like to write a server side scripting code, so like go with the PHP, Node.js. So these things will help you to achieve your development goals, means like to become a developer. But thing is, how to become a good developer, right? So see, developer, it's not a thing like you write a code today and just take a rest and I'll write another lines of code after some days. It's required a lots of practice. You need to be do the coding every day, each day. Like as we eat food every day, we do the toothbrush every day, do the brushing, teeth cleaning every day. So that this is the habit you need to create for the development sectors. If you are creating this kind of habit, means if you are doing the coding every day, means on the proper track, just follow the some like lots of YouTube channels is already available how to be start with the programming. For example, you can go with the code with Harry. They or W3C schools. These things are already available. You need to just Google it and just follow the basic steps how to be start with the programmings and how to be start with the development things, right? So this will help you to be like do your like stuff or do be achieve your goal properly. Or for the designers, step is same, but the continuation, dedication, determination is very important. See, whatever you want to achieve, you need to be follow the 3Ds in your life: discipline, determination, and dedication. If you follow 3Ds, then definitely you will achieve success. Whatever the goal you want to create, just follow the 3Ds rules. Hope, Wasim, I answered your questions properly. Okay, we have another question. Can we share our work on Chatrashala app? Not currently. We have profile, we have user profile over there, but not currently. Like you can just uh, add your LinkedIn link or over there. So like whatever you posted on the LinkedIn, like people will see your profile and redact over there. But currently we don't have any features those who can like share their works on the Chatrashala application. But we'll see in the future. We'll try to integrate things that what student community required, what like professionals required in our applications. So it's a good idea to showcase work over Chatrashala application. Yeah, I appreciate your question. Okay, waiting for another question. Okay, no one here to solve the like problems of community, the society. No one wants to become an entrepreneur. because so whatever the questions you have, you can ask me in the comment sections, so I can answer your question. No matter you can ask me anytime. The comment section is always available for the students. Those who have any question will see and definitely will answer your question, not in this session but also in another session, whatever questions you have. So stick with the application. So application will definitely going to help you in nowadays, because like we are putting lots of efforts to develop Chatrashala application and like helping student community. Okay, I won't share UX design works. That's why. Okay, so definitely in future we'll upgrade our application so like people can share their works for like we'll try to integrate other platform also. Means like you can showcase your work on Behance or any other platform. So we'll integrate that APIs into our application. So like indirectly, people will see your profile and people will see your works, what you have done, what you have contributed towards the society, and how much open source works you have done. So this kind of things will be definitely going to update in our Chatrashala application in like upcoming builds, not in next one, but definitely we'll see and look into it. Okay, I want to build a designer community. Like as you know, as I told you, like Skillship is a hub of community. We have people those who are the part of various different community. Like we have developer community, we have Android peoples over there, we have people from web development, we have people from designing, we have people from like business developments. So if you are willing to build a community, you can be part of designer community, or you can uh, initiate a request over the website, or for creating the community for a designer. Just put it the email or apply over the website of Skillship. Definitely will like our team will reach to you and how to help. Definitely will help you to create a designer community in always. Okay, thank you, Akanksha. All right, any other comments, any other questions, guys? Meanwhile, as I told you, like stick with Chatrashala application, because those who join yesterday's session and today's session, they will get a certificate also. So be on like Chatrashala app, you will get your certificate in your profile sections. We have one section over there called profile. In that section, we have certificate section. So you will find the certificate over there. Meanwhile, Skillship is coming with a summit program, global summit. So let's see if pandemic ends or things goes well in India. So will in upcoming month we'll are planning to have some summit or a conference for and like also in that conference we are trying to build some uh, following some SDG goals, and like helping developers to be create some type of solution for the government, and creating solution for the some companies, national international companies. So like they will get a chance and opportunity to work a good people and group of people with a bright minded one. So let's see if pandemic over, like we have a various opportunity with Skillshare Foundations. All right. If whenever you guys have any query, you can just put in the comment section. We will see the comments and definitely get back to you in the next AMA. And like today was Ajay sir session, but due to some community issues, they have not joined today. So in like upcoming days, we will take the day two of career guidance programs. You will, if you have application, the you will get notification over there. So like whenever we have program, you will get notified, and definitely through email also. All right. So all right, so we don't have any query. Okay, so I think, Zamima, we need to conclude over here. So if they have any query, they can ask over in the comment sections, or whenever they want, and we will here always here to resolve everything, resolve their queries. So I think we need to conclude over here. What do you think?
Thank you, sir, for giving your valuable insights. I think all of our question is finished now. So we will be looking forward to the next session where you can guide us for our bright future. Till then, I think it's a wrap now. So let's thank you, sir. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you so much, Zamima. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Thank you, guys. And if you have any query, you can put on the comment section. We will solve your query in the next AMA. Thank you.